That was a rough night's sleep. I gotta do something different. Something's gotta give. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call Bruce over to Nature Calls channel. I'm gonna see if I can get him to make me one of them custom hammocks he makes. One of those that you can lay diagonally in and lay flat. That's exactly what I need. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call Bruce.
Hey, it's Bruce.
Bruce? Hey, yeah. Hey, this is Chris, Kentucky Woodsman on YouTube.
Hey, Chris, how's it going?
Hey, I was hoping I could talk you into making me one of your custom hammocks. One of those that you can lay diagonally in, lay flat, everything. I've got one of the old military style hammocks, but I swear every time I get up in the morning I feel like I've been folded up like a United States map. It's unreal. I gotta have something different.
Looking for a new hammock. Cool, right on. Yeah, I can make it, sure. Yeah, there's that new fabric, that really lightweight aerobic 1 ounce per yard. That's, I wonder if that's what I'm in right now.
Man, that would be awesome, Bruce. I'll tell you what I'd like. I'd like, the color I'd like would be olive drab. I'd like, if you can add it, I'd like a bug net.
Oh, yeah, bug net? Yeah, there's this new lightest bug net around. It's about 1/2 ounce per yard, so we can use that too. Yeah, great. Yeah, olive drab, no problem. No problem, I'll get right on it. Thanks, bud.
Awesome. Thanks, Bruce. Man, I appreciate it. Keep me posted as to your progress there.
Be there shortly.
Thanks again, sir. You have a good day. Hot dog. Bruce is going to make me a hammock, and I'm going to sleep in style from now on. Hey, look here. Bruce said he was going to mail my hammock out this week. Looks like it got here. Cool. Yep, that's it. Hot dog. Man, that didn't take long at all. Way cool. I can't wait to go check it out and try it out. Let's go see what we got. Alright, finally get to try out this new hammock. Can't wait. It's going to be really cool. Let's see what we got here. Well, that's pretty cool. Come with a pouch. It all stores in. Okay. That. Wow, this is really lightweight. Very cool. There's the other end. Very nice. Man, I can't begin to tell you how lightweight this is. And this bug netting is, I mean, it's might as well not be there, it's so light. If I had to guess, I would say the whole hammock, I'm gonna guess maybe a pound, pound and a half, maybe less than that. It's really light though. Okay. You know, Bruce sent me a video on how to set this up, and maybe I should review that one more time before I actually get started. I think I've got a pretty good idea, but it would definitely be better to review it one more time.
Okay, now the tree huggers, they're 1-inch straps. Both straps together, I think, weigh about 5 ounces. I think 4.8 ounces. But they're just a simple knot on the end. It's an overhand knot. That's another spot, I believe. If you sew it, you're just creating a weak spot. This creates less of a weak spot. Just put it around the tree, telephone pole in my case, and then you slip it just through like that. And I try and start up as high as I can. So pretty much as high as I can reach. Okay? Then to do the marlin spike hitch, just take it, make a loop, so you just kind of cross it around like that. Then you flip it up, you pull this through that loop, and you take your stick. I use sticks or a tent spike, and just tighten that on down, and that's your marlin spike hitch. And that stick's plenty strong enough. You can use all kinds of things. Some people like pre-make them and take them with them. I like to not do that, so it has less sharp things in my equipment, in my bag, in my anything at all. This is tossed out at the end of the weekend or the end of the trip. So let's go get the hammock and put it on there.
As high as I can get it. Actually, I'm going to go back through. As soon as there's a fork here. Go with the loop, reach through, try it again, go with the loop, reach through, pull it, and then we put our stick in there. Alright, there's our marlin hitch there. We'll discuss in the video the complete setup of the whoopee slings.
The soft shackle is made of the same 7/64 am steel. And how you do this, see if we can get it up close and personal. So right here, it has been threaded through itself. So we're just going to grab onto that and pull it out, at the same time pulling this portion down, kind of scrunching it down. And it pulls out like that, and then we take it over the knot. So now it's undone. And then we take the end of the whoopee sling, not the adjustment end, just the fixed loop. We'll put that on it as well. Then we'll also be putting on the adjustable ridge line, but I need to measure that out first. We just take the soft shackle, it's now in between, it has both of those, and now we just put that loop over the knot, and starting with your like Chinese finger puzzle, we just kind of bring that outer coating back down until it's locked in place. And what I like to do is don't have it riding on the knot. I turn it, and so it's going to be pulling like that.
He's already been kind enough to have them set up for me on this hammock, and I'm going to try the adjustments on it, see how it works out. Hopefully it'll be alright for me. Like I said, Bruce has done all the hard work for me. I was lucky enough that I had 2 trees that was close enough together. It looks like I'm about in the same configuration that Bruce describes in the video. So we're going to try this baby out. See how it goes.
Let's find your hole. Bring it over your head. And you just get in like you normally do. Find the edge. Sit down and bring your feet up through the hole. And get in your diagonal lay position. And then the bug net now is completely closed off and no bugs can get in. And your hole. So what's nice is that you can sit in here now still with this full bug net. You've got all this room in here. Got your goodie bag, utility bag. You can get dressed, you can do anything in here and still be underneath the bug net. Away you go. So there you go, Chris. Hope you enjoy it. And I will be talking to you soon.
Okay, look at this. You have no idea, absolutely no idea how comfortable this is. Look around. As you can see, he even made me a gear rack for it. Very nice. Probably what I'll do, I will get me a nice lightweight tarp to go over top of this, and I don't think I'll be doing much tent camping anymore. This is unbelievable. I mean, there's no way you can even imagine how comfortable this is. Super easy on the back. Very comfortable. I'm all stretched out. I've got plenty of room. If I want to go snug right in here, I got plenty of room. Bruce absolutely outdid himself on this hammock. This is completely handmade by Bruce from the Nature Calls channel. And I want to take just a minute to thank Bruce for his hard work. He didn't have to do this. And I really appreciate him taking the time. I appreciate his help with this video. You know, we discussed this after he had got started on the hammock about trying to do a collaboration video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been a little slow on my end due to work schedules and everything, but you know, you need to really, if you're not subscribed to the Nature Calls channel, and you definitely need to get over there. Bruce has some awesome videos, a lot of gear tech, a lot of stuff he makes himself. He has a sewing machine and he doesn't care to use it, I should say. And he goes on a lot of neat hikes. He's out in the Northwest, beautiful country. Just a really awesome channel. Bruce, thanks again for helping me with this. Thanks for taking the time to make this hammock. Thanks for taking the time to help me with the video. And like I said, I just can't not begin to tell you how appreciative I am. My only thing I want to say is I really apologize for it taking so long to get this back to you. Hope everyone has enjoyed the video. It's been a lot of fun to produce and make, and I hope Bruce can say the same thing. Thanks again, everyone, and hopefully in the very near future I will get to do a video of me camping out in this. That's my plan anyway. Good night, everyone. See you on down the trail. I know I said this was the end of the video, but I really don't have any desire to get out of this hammock right now. Heck, I may stay the night out here. Who knows? You did an A #1 job, Bruce. Kudos. Thanks, man.